This is the second grip range up to 0.35, and this has an auto feed feature, and you want it flush to the bottom. It's flush to the bottom, that way it engages all the threads. And the way that you do the install is there's a video on how to set this up, which we'll provide, and then you gently press in the trigger, and then you start turning the wheel a little bit, reducing the amount of gold that you can see down here because that's increasing the pressure. And then eventually we'll have enough pressure where the rivet nut will want to upset. Slowly upsetting. There we go. Probably about half pressure. And then push the trigger all the way, and then we'll do an auto feed off out of your application.